Automatic 1 kg 2 kg rice bag packing machine detail. This rice bag packaging machineis is composed of multi-head weigher, Z-type elevator, film input, date printing, bag forming, vertical sealing, horizontal sealing, cutting and other devices. The whole is controlled by a PLC system, which is convenient to operate, precise in control, and convenient to change the packaging product data to view and adjust. Multi-head weigher device, used to package granular products of different shapes and sizes to ensure the accurate weight of the packaged products. Multi-heads weighing equipment can also be customized according to customer requirements, with different sizes and weighing heads, such as 8 head weigher, 10 head weigher, 14 head weigher, 16 head weigher, etc. Z-type elevator, made of food-grade stainless steel. The material is strong and is also installed with transparent glass. While protecting the hygiene and safety of the packaging materials, it is convenient to check the integrity of the materials during the transportation process, which is more convenient for packaging.